Hello, welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 14 important health benefits of oats that will surprise you. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Grains are a great source of important vitamins, minerals, and fiber that need to be included in every day's plate. They deliver a whole bunch of health benefits, including lower heart disease rates, a decrease in cancer rates, and the like. Whole grains like oats offer even healthier advantages compared with simple grains. We are here to provide you with the most recent health tips, and today's video gives you 14 convincing reasons for the consumption of oatmeal on a daily basis. Here you will be provided with 14 stunning benefits of oats. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Keeps you lively and strong. Firstly, they're really high in fiber, helping you feel fresh and active. Fiber can be found in many fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and it is best loved for its ability to relieve digestive problems. As the whole grains all contain a high amount of fiber, they keep you full for a longer time and give you energy more than what simple carbohydrates provide to your body. The reason for this is that fiber is hard to digest, and when it is in digestion tract it takes more time than other types of foods, and its energy or the glucose goes throughout the body slowly. Number 2. Rich in vitamins. Oat works like a multivitamin. Besides, they are great sources of B vitamins, folate, potassium, magnesium, iron, and riboflavin. Vitamin B complex has many health benefits for the body, such as improving cell health, which prevents cancer formation or cancer growth, helping the growth of red blood cells, boosting the energy levels due to its richness in fiber and other healthy components, and again fiber also helps digestion system, giving you a healthy appetite, aiding your nerve cells to function properly, and helping hormones and good cholesterol production. Number 3. Managing bad cholesterol levels. Oat controls cholesterol level. You can easily drop your LDL cholesterol by 7% by having oats on your daily plate. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, which can reduce the absorption of cholesterol into your bloodstream. Number 4. Manages blood pressure. As you may know, blood pressure is known as a silent killer. This health issue may not seem very dangerous, but truly it is. Not only for its own harm to the body, but also it increases the risk of heart diseases. Lowering blood pressure is another great advantage that oats offer you. They contain a particular type of fiber called beta-glucan, which lowers both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. If you start the day off with a bowl of oatmeal, you can manage your blood pressure as easily as possible. Number 5. Reduces colon cancer. Eating a regular amount of oats also significantly decreases the chance of colon cancer due to the high amount of soluble fiber, much more than any other grains. Number 6. Keeps you fit. Regular consumption of oats can lead to a lower body mass index, BMI, by reducing hunger and improving satiety, feeling of fullness. The fiber can be found highly in oats, and when the fiber is in your digestive tract, its digestion process will take a long time, and during this time you feel full. Oat also reduces fake hunger and gives you a healthy appetite. Number 7. Empowers immune system. If you use oats on a daily basis, you can make sure you have guaranteed a strong immune system for your body, as it brims with antioxidants and zinc. Number 8. Prevents heart problems. Oats are promising protection against coronary heart diseases due to the exclusive amount of avananthramides and by increasing nitric oxide production. Number 9. Controls diabetes. Type 2 diabetes can be easily prevented using oats, especially in overweight people. Oats have a low glycemic index score and are ideal for keeping blood sugar stable. Also, the dietary fiber in oats slows down the breakdown of sugars in the body. Number 10. Keeps the digestive system healthy. There is extensive research on the positive effects of oats on digestive system performance. It can easily prevent constipation by increasing the gut microbiota level and promoting bowel regularity. Number 11. Improves sleep quality. Oats contain a diversity of carbohydrates and melatonin that help you experience a more pleasant bedtime. They also contain B6 vitamins that help increase serotonin levels in the brain. Number 12. Protects skin. If you care about your skin health or are suffering from acne or itching problems, oats can be a great solution. They soak up excess oil in your skin and retain skin moisture. They also act as skin exfoliants. You can both eat and put oats on your skin. Homemade masks are also helpful. You can make a great mask with 2 tablespoons of oats and then add milk and honey to it. Then put it on your skin for 15 to 20 minutes and have bright and smooth skin. Number 13. Benefits for pregnant women. A healthy pregnancy diet would never be free of oatmeal. They contain proteins, fiber, vitamins, and magnesium. Number 14. Strengthening babies. Babies can also benefit from the magic nutrients of oats and grow. They are rich in minerals and vitamins, thus providing a good energy source for babies. Children are rarely allergic to oatmeal, so most can use it as a food option. Now that we have this miraculous whole grain at hand, why not include it on our daily plate? Start with the simplest ingredients, including oats, milk, water, or a combination of both. Place in the microwave on high for 2 minutes and then enjoy the perfect meal and get the numerous benefits. If you care about your health, you should start from now. Tomorrow is even late. Having a healthy diet is the most important step to having a healthy body. Exercising and staying away from stress are also 2 key factors, but having a healthy diet plays a more important role. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.